Interesting start to the video. We need to pick up my homies Josh and Jacob because they're stranded at Big Bear right now. So it's gonna be like 45-minute drive. It's about 40 miles away, but we're gonna need some gas. We're gonna get low, and I already know it, because this car has fucking terrible gas mileage. Holy fuck, bro. It's fucking expensive as shit. I'm only gonna put like 15 in there, should be good enough. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Alright, we're cruising along. Like 20 minutes away now. About to be a Touge run at Big Bear to pick these fools up.
I'll get right out, boy. Holy fuck, you just saved for like 5 hours.
Yep. Come on, Josh. What happened, bro?
Dude.
What's going on here, bro?
I have a car with no spare.
You don't have a spare?
I know no one has a spare.
You don't have a car with no spare too.
I don't either, but
There you go.
wow.
Yeah, it's done.
That's gone.
Yeah.
Dude, I low-key wanted to throw up. This fucking tow truck driver hauled ass, dude. There were so many potholes. But we somehow oh my god, look at trying to hey bro, he didn't open it up fully for you.
Just you and I, and no other guys.
We got 2 phones going. Alright, Jacob, scale 1 to 10 how hungry you are.
I'm fucking starving, bro. I had 6 fucking chicken stars today, bro.
We're in the Walmart now because we're bored and
Got it.
Me? Doesn't even turn on, bro. Crocheting, it's a crochet hook, bro.
Oh. This is vibrate too. Used to go with it. I'm tired. I just want to go home.
We had this homie, his dog would always like attack me after his Brian. Oh, Brian.
Drop my springs, bro.
I did not drop your fucking springs. Why are you saying that?
Drop that shit. Alright, it's okay, bro. They're just springs. Hang on. You took the fucking... Dude, I know you took that shit out because this was connected to it.
Man.
Bro, let's go review your car, bro. Let's...
No.
You...
You didn't break his springs. It was like that actually.
That's cap. You're lying. You're lying. You rate your car 1 to 10.
I think it was a solid 5.
5.
5.
What'd you rate this car 1 to 10?
4.
What'd you rate your own car?
Like 5.
Damn. Yellow stitched Momo? That's nice. Oh, he's got the squash smell in there too.
Marine squash.
Oh, marine squash is looking nice. Put us on game, bro. Put us on game.
ASMR.
That's dope, bro.
You're missing a clip right here, bro.
We're going Ryan's too, bro. What matters is inside, bro. Got a bit of paint damage, bro. All right, give us a tour.
You get like a email to it. I will just.
That was pretty nice.
Hey, nice horn button.
The NSX horn button too.
No shot. We needed 6 people to split that.
That is crazy.
Now do a red line. Oh wait, that's kind of fast.
Shit.
How was it? How was it?
Yeah, the clutch is no joke.
Yeah.
It's nice. The analog shifter, bro. It's a rip match.
It's got
The analog shifter, bro. I don't know. Like it feels good because it's new.
Would you drive? Would you like drive this for like a daily?
Yeah, I'll drive it.
What are you doing? language.
Bro, you gotta.
Okay, so we gotta go to AutoZone.
What?
We're gonna get a spring. We're gonna borrow a spring compressor.
What do you need a spring compressor? Alright, let me hear something. Let me hear something. Oh, shit. We out here. Dude, your windshield's so dirty.
It is so dirty.
Right here, Tasty.
Tasty, bro. This is the spot according to Anthony.
This is the spot. Better than Share Tea, better than Boba Time, better than all your favorite boba spots.
Better than Kung Fu?
Hell yeah, Kung Fu is trash. Alright, Tasty acquired. Amar, what is this? The unknown?
The unknown.
Two cup holders actually work.
She was like 3 years younger than
Dude,
me.
she's hella. She is.
I got
not
the
cute,
honeydew milk tea.
Rihanna's the only.
Max,
Yeah.
what you rocking with?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Oh, you can't go wrong with Jasmine Gimlet tea. Ryan,
Tea shaker.
the booty shaker.
Bro just knows every single drink off the menu.
Cause he be shaking his booty.
Bro, chill out.
What a homeless guy came and robbed it. Oh, what's up, guys? Back at it again with another video. Today we're working on a Mars 335i E92, and now we're gonna be installing. Ooh, you guys already see it. Some BC Racing coilovers, upgraded to Swift springs. Yeah, on this bad boy. Omar, would you consider your car stage 2 already?
Finally, after hours and hours of work.
It's been like 20 minutes.
Nice.
Release.
Is that better?
Squad is rolling out. We have taken too long to install this shit. This is me and Max. We about to finish this shit. We figured out a little bit. Keep on running into issues. Hopefully we finish this soon. This is one hectic video. Well, taking a little break. We're gonna go to the mall and buy something. We'll make it quick. Off we go. It's got the single exit. Some big ass ones, 890 Ghost. Auto life. Bag is secure. Bag is secure.
After making a fatal mistake, really cool.
Now. All right, back to fixing the car. Quick update. We're almost done with the fronts, and we lost the fucking bolt for to clamp down the strut somewhere. Oh my god. We lost the nut. Where did the shit go? Oh, it's right here. We lost the nut for this.
Found the fucking bolt.
Oh my god. This is about to be a $15 waste if this doesn't work.
No, he'll take it back.
Oh yeah, homie. I ain't gonna disclose the name, but this AutoZone is clutch, bro. But this ratchet's 15 bucks, and the return policy is pretty ass. So just picked it up just to use it twice. Chill out, car. Fuck. Anyways, wrench secured. Now we can finally finish the rear.
I guess I needed it.
Okay. Front, left, done. Front, right. Oh, the wheel's on, but done. All right, let's see, dude. It's like, man, we're not low enough, bro. 4-finger gap. I don't know. All right, we'll be back. We're gonna put wheel ramps in the front so we can jack up the rear and get this whole thing sorted out. We started at like 3. When did we start? 1:30. We started at 1:30. It's 11, almost 11. 11:47. We ran into a little Problem with the lack of tools. Was able to get this side off and done. Doing this side now. I think we need a 21mm socket, and we don't have a 21mm socket. We might need to buy more tools. All right, this is it, bro. This is it. We're just gonna have to do it tomorrow. I don't even know what time we started. It's just we've been up since 9 doing other stuff, fixing Josh's car. He's a genius.
You just need to hold the other stand.
You wheel breaker bar to remove the control arm. Oh my god.
Yeah. So I got the vice grip on the side, and hopefully you can maintain that.
Okay, I'll try. I don't even know what time it is, but this fit is big enough. It was big enough. What time is it? It's 1:30. I dropped a bolt in the rear quarter panel. I dropped this top of the strut on the rear quarter panel. Try to fish it out. I'm gonna give up tonight. I think I might just buy another one tomorrow. I'll go to Ace. My hair is a mess. I'm so tired. It's Easter Sunday. I'm wearing the same shirt. Messy hair. Problem was, lost my key last night. Guess what? None of us decided to look here. It's right there. I have my key, and I lost my bolt. The plan is to buy this nut from like Ace, and then try to fish this one out as much as we can. It's stuck in the inner rear quarter panel. I've seen so many people on the forums. Fuck. I've seen some people on the forums, not so many, that lost it in the same spot I did. So I'm gonna try to take a magnet, spend at least 2 hours on it, see if I can fish it out. If I can, perfect. If not, new bolt for us. Whatever, man. I'm so tired.
Let's get started.
This went to Ace. They have the same exact bolt, so we're good. Just need to find the tool now. Guys, I fucking found it. I got the goddamn bolt. I spent more time trying to buy this tool than I did getting this bolt out. I spent over 30 minutes looking for a tool to do this one job at different stores because it's Easter and a lot of stores are closed. It took me under 2 minutes to get this out. Now I have an extra one for a good measure, but I'm just him, guys. I'm just him. All right, after a few breaks, it's all done, guys. Took a little bit, but you know, it looks exactly like how we started. No difference in height. I didn't adjust anything. It's the same, like height basically, 2-finger gap, but maybe it'll like lower down in a bit. We'll go for a little test drive, but guys, this is it. The install's all done. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Install was kind of hard, but you know, you can't expect to do anything right the first time. Just my bad luck. Gonna go test drive the car. Might shoot a little clip or two for you guys to see at the end, but yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.